Hi everyone, today I like to show you how to make like this middle of flowers. I need make lots of small like this flowers, and I decided this be very beautiful middle, and I like to show you how to make it. To make it you need isolon. Isolon is water resistant material, and it is very good for giant flowers. We need a piece. Usually isolon go in a roll 1 meter long, and whatever you will buy meters. So this is, I have 1 meter long and 14 centimeters in a wide. 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. I will make from this 1 meters 3 pieces, so I need just make it 3 about same long pieces. Like this. And we cut it. And we have about same long pieces. Now we need to make like this one. How we do it? We will make like this. So we get piece, fold it in a half, and we will cut where we fold it. We cut. Make sure this is size almost even together, and try to avoid these pieces to cut in again. You need to cut about half centimeters. This is pieces about half centimeters wide. Here you leave about 1 centimeters. Okay, we done cutting. Now we need to glue it, put together. So what we do? We leave about 4 centimeters, and this edge will be glued like this. this about 4 centimeters. When you cut, you need to prepare glue gun and begin. Just glue it together till end. Try to put glue, small amount, and just a little bit place. So when we're done to glue, we have here same about 4 centimeters. And like this piece we get. This is 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Now we need glue here. And begin to roll it. When you roll it, do not too tight and not too loose. Just like this. Okay, we get like this. We need to make sure here all even. So if you see somewhere come out, just cut it. Get our flower and glue needle. Put this needle inside the flower and hold it, glue it together, and that's it. And we're done. We have beautiful needle on our beautiful little flowers. We all done. We have beautiful needle on our beautiful little flower. Thank you for watching me. Bye till next time.